Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week we ask, is it better to pay off student loans quickly or slowly? Paying off student loans responsibly, whether quickly or slowly, can positively impact your credit over time. Both approaches have their benefits. There are also other factors to consider. A healthy credit mix with installment loans, like student loans, and revolving credit, like credit cards, can positively impact your credit score. Maintaining a diverse credit profile is beneficial. Consider your overall debt situation. If you have high interest debt, such as credit card debt, it might be wise to prioritize paying off that debt before focusing on your student loans. Before paying down any loans, ensure you have a savings fund to cover unexpected expenses. Having a safety net helps prevent any major setbacks. Advantages for paying off student loans quickly. A lower debt-to-income ratio. Paying off student loans quickly reduces your outstanding debt, which can improve your debt-to-income ratio. A lower ratio is generally favorable for your credit score. Decreased credit utilization. As you pay off loans, your outstanding balances decrease, leading to a lower credit utilization ratio. This ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, is an important factor in credit scoring. Other considerations for paying quickly. You potentially put a strain on your finances. Paying off loans quickly may require more significant monthly payments, which could strain your budget. Be sure to evaluate if accelerated repayment is sustainable for your financial situation. Advantages for paying student loans slowly. You can get a steady payment history. Making consistent, on-time payments over an extended period contributes positively to your credit history, reflecting responsible credit behavior. Also, payment history is 35% of your credit score. You have financial flexibility. Opting for lower monthly payments allows you to have more financial flexibility to save, invest, or address other pressing financial goals. Other considerations: long-term interest costs. Paying off loans slowly may result in higher overall interest costs. You'll make payments for an extended period, and the total interest paid can be more significant compared to quicker repayment. Either way, the key to improving your credit is making timely payments and managing your debt. In summary, the key to improving your credit is consistent, responsible debt management. Whether you choose to pay off student loans quickly or slowly, making on-time payments and maintaining a well-balanced financial approach will positively influence your credit over time. It's essential to evaluate your financial situation, budget, and long-term goals when deciding on a repayment strategy that aligns with your overall financial health. Contact Expert Credit Care and we can work with you to find the best option for your situation.